Hey guys, it's a Tuesday up here at the shop. The guys are in the back working on some last minute things for the Antarctic project. So let's see what they're up to.
Today, I'm just going to be mounting the solar panel and cabinet mounts to our tower that's going to be on Thwaites Glacier in Antarctica. So we made custom solar panel mounts out of 11 gauge steel that is powder coated, and it ties all the panels together in a triangle at the top. And these will be mounted vertically because they're so close to the pole, the sun basically spins around the horizon. So they'll always be in direct sunlight for 6 months out of the year. And then we also have these custom aluminum mounts we made that will hold data cabinets onto the tower. So it'll hold a data recording computer that sends telemetry over Starlink back to the United States, and then also a DTS system, which is distributed temperature sensing system that uses fiber optic cables. It's really complicated, but it'll hold that device onto the tower as well. So this will end up being 20 feet tall. The second half of the tower is right over there, and it'll be buried a little bit in the snow and held in place, hopefully.
So I just finished soldering up these very delicate connectors, and they will be the pass-throughs for some borehole instruments that we're working on. So they're going to be experiencing some really high pressures. And so to kind of strengthen up the back of them a little bit, we've just poured some epoxy over those back pins I soldered to, and we're going to let that cure, and we can get them installed onto the instruments.
We definitely work on some pretty cool things here. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to stay up to date with all of the things that we're working on, and we'll see you next time.